Hello everyone, welcome to my first video of 2023. This is Arthur Storm Trucking, and today I'm coming at you with a severe weather video. Fortunately I have to rush this out. This is my laptop. Can you see my cursor? Today there is a 3 out of 5 on the categorical outlook legend right here, or the enhanced risk, which is huge, by the way. It's pretty big. Big for an enhanced risk. Could get upgraded to a moderate risk, but we have no idea yet. And this is actually this is big. Okay? Today's main event is going to be this 10% SIG tornado risk, but you also have a 30 and a 15 in the wind and hail risks respectively. And this is for today. That 6 severe risk is almost the entirety of the 10%. Today will be a wind and tornado threat. And I'm going to go down. Pause if you would like to read this. I'm going slow for this. And because we're also talking about the fact that there's enhanced risk, we're also talking day 2. Which is also another enhanced risk, this time much more limited, out parts of Alabama, Mississippi, and Louisiana. This one is backed up by a 10 SIG tornado risk as well. But there's only a 15% wind risk and a 5% hail risk. So tomorrow's big thing is that 10 SIG tornado risk. I'll go slow again so that you can see everything. Sorry if you can see my hand. We're not talking about this day 3 outlook, but yeah, that's all Hyacinth. I named it, but Hyacinth myself. Not sure what the Weather Channel's named it. Whatever they've named it, though, I'm pretty sure a lot of people are going to use. I'm using Hyacinth, though, because I have no clue what it is. I have not watched the Weather Channel at all in a while. So I'll see you all in the next video, and I'm very sorry I have to rush this one out, so it's lower quality than normal. My bad. I slept in too long. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.